to continue bills of exchange. Today we will discuss retiring a bill before its maturity and renewal of a bill. Retiring a bill before maturity means जब ड्रॉई बिल की पेमेंट बिफोर मैच्योरिटी पीरियड कर देता है, देन दिस इज नोन एज रिटायरिंग अ बिल बिफोर मैच्योरिटी. इन दिस केस उसको ड्रॉर रिबेट प्रोवाइड करता है, मतलब जितना बिल की अमाउंट है उससे कम ड्रॉई को पे करना पड़ता है. दैट डिफरेंस बिटवीन द बिल अमाउंट एंड द पेमेंट अमाउंट इज नोन एज रिबेट. इन दिस केस, आफ्टर पासिंग ऑल द जर्नल एंट्रीज related to sale, acceptance of a bill, we will pass the following entries in the books of drawer. We will pass journal entry. This is bank account debit, rebate account debit to bills receivable. Now, we will calculate the rebate amount with bill amount multiplied by rate of rebate divided by 100 multiplied by time left divided by 12. In the books of drawing, bills payable account debit to bank to rebate. The rebate amount is same as we write in the books of drawer with rebate debit. These both amount will be same way to calculate it. Now through an example we will discuss it. On 1st April 2019, Amit accepted a bill drawn by Sumit. In this case, who drawn the bill? Sumit. So Sumit is your drawer and Amit accepted the bill, so he is your drawee. For rupees 8500 payable after 3 months. Amit paid the bill on 4th June. Maturity हमारी कब हो रही थी इसके अकॉर्डिंग? Maturity date. So maturity date 1st April से 3 months. 1st May, 1st June, 1st July plus 3 days of grace. 4th July हमारी maturity date है और हमने इसकी पेमेंट कब कर दी है? 4th of June. इट मीन्स हमने कितने टाइम बिफोर पेमेंट की है? 1 मंथ बिफोर. तो हमें जो रिबेट मिलेगी वो 1 मंथ की मिलेगी. सो व्हाट एंट्री वी विल पास? वी विल पास द जर्नल एंट्री इन द बुक्स ऑफ ड्रॉर बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट, रिबेट अकाउंट डेबिट टू बिल्स receivable. Bills receivable amount is of rupees 8500. How to calculate rebate now in this case? 8500 multiplied by 12 over 100 multiplied by 1 by 12. It is rupees 85. And here we will write the balancing figure. It is 8415. Before this journal entry, we will pass the same journal entry which we passed earlier in our previous videos for the acceptance. Now in the books of drawee, after passing the acceptance entries, we will pass the journal entry bills payable account debit to bank to rebate. So same amount 8500 to bank is 8415 and rebate is 85 rupees. Renewal of a bill. Renewal of a bill इसका मतलब ये है जब ड्रॉई ड्रॉअर से रिक्वेस्ट करता है बिफोर मेच्योरिटी और आफ्टर द डिसऑनर ऑफ अ बिल कि एक नया बिल लिखा जाए कुछ और समय के लिए. सो उस चीज को हम लोग बोलते हैं रिन्यूअल ऑफ अ बिल. रिन्यूअल ऑफ अ बिल के समय हम जब रिन्यूअल की एंट्री पास करेंगे उससे पहले हमें प्रीवियस बिल को या तो डिसऑनर की एंट्री पास करनी होगी या कैंसिलेशन की एंट्री पास करनी होगी. और हमारी इन द बुक्स ऑफ ड्रॉर सेम एंट्रीज विल बी पास, सेम एंट्रीज फॉर बिल dishonored as we discussed earlier. In the books of drawing, same entry again. for bill dishonored. But if the drawee request the drawer before the dishonor of a bill कि हमें एक नया बिल लिख लेना चाहिए, तो उस कंडीशन में हम लोग एंट्री सेम पास करेंगे फॉर कैंसिलेशन. We will pass the same journal entry as dishonored, same as dishonored in both the books. Only we will change the narration. What narration we will pass? Being bill cancelled. So after passing the cancellation or dishonored entry, we will write a new bill. For further उसने जो टाइम दिया है उसके लिए ड्रॉर ड्रॉई से इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करता है उस कंडीशन में. इफ ड्रॉई पेड इंटरेस्ट अमाउंट, then in the books of drawer we will pass the journal entry cash account debit to interest, and in the books of drawee we will pass journal entry interest account debit to cash. But sometimes if drawee due interest amount, or we can say कि it include in new bill, then we will pass, instead of this entry we will pass another entry. This entry will be drawee debit to interest. In the books of drawee we will write entry interest account debit to drawer. For new bill we will pass the entry bills receivable account debit to drawee, including interest amount. In the books of drawee we will pass the entry drawer account debit to bills payable, including interest amount. One another thing I would like to share with you, instead of these two entries we can pass a single entry. Just see, drawee debit to interest, bills receivable account debit to drawee. We can pass a single entry, that is bills receivable account debit to interest and to drawee. And in this, in the books of drawee we can also pass a combined entry. This is interest account debit, drawer account debit to bills payable. Both the methods are right. You can adopt any one method as per your convenience. Now there is one question, how to calculate interest. So interest calculation, how to do this? Due amount multiplied by interest upon 100 multiplied by time extended. जितना पीरियड उसने हमसे एक्सटेंड करवाया वो पीरियड डिवाइडेड बाय 12 is the amount of interest. Let's do an example. On 1st Jan 2019, A drew a bill on B for 2 months for rupees 4,000 against the debt. On the due date, so before the due date, we will need to pass the journal entry on 2019, 1st of Jan for bills acceptance. So bills receivable account debit to B with rupees 4,000. And in the same, in the books of drawee, we will pass the journal entry on 2019, 1st Jan, A debit to bills payable for rupees 4,000. Now, the bill is dishonored. On which date it will dishonor? On the due date. So 1st Jan to 2 months, 1st Feb, 1st March, it is of 4th of March. So March 4, we will pass the dishonor entry. It is B debit to bills receivable, and the noting charges is of rupees 50. So to cash. BR is of 4,000. Noting charges is of rupees 50. So now it become 4,050. On the counterpart in the books of DROI, we will pass the journal entry on March 4. It is bills payable account debit, noting charges account debit to A 4,050 and 4,050. Now B request A to draw a new bill for the amount due for 2 months. So 2 months के लिए उसने बिल लिखने को बोला. A agree to the proposal. B pays interest. Pays interest means he paid by cash. So first we need to pass the journal entry for interest paid by B in cash. So we will pass a journal entry on March 4. Cash account debit to interest. So how we will calculate the interest amount? Your due amount is rupees 4,050 multiplied by interest rate is of rupees 12 months. Time extended is of 2 months. So 2 by 12. So it becomes 81 rupees. So we will write here rupees 81. On the same reason, we will write another entry in the books of DROI. We will pass on March 4 interest account debit to cash with rupees 81. Now we will write a new bill for rupees 4,050. So on 4th March, we will write another entry. This is bills receivable account debit to B with rupees 4,050. In the books of B, DROI, we will write another entry, A debit to bills payable with rupees 4,050. On the maturity, the bill was met. So for this, we will write an entry, bank debit. You can write here cash also. Bank account debit to bills receivable. Now maturity date become 4th March, 2 months. 4th April, 4th May, plus 3 days, it is May 7 with rupees 4,050. On the same, here on May 7, we will pass the entry. This is bills payable debit to bank. If we write bank here, then we need to write bank here. Otherwise, if we followed cash, then we will write here cash 4,050. Students, we have completed bills of exchange. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment section below, and please like, share and subscribe my channel.